The angle markings that come on most saws aren't very accurate, and any fraction of a degree is just a guess. Woodpecker's latest OneTIME tool, Blade Gauge 2.0, takes out the guesswork with a precisely machined physical reference you can use when setting your saw's bevel or miter angles. Blade Gauge 2.0 features 9 angles commonly used on trim projects. You have 90 degrees, 45 degrees, and 22.5 for squares and octagons. The other 3 gauges are used for compound miters for crown molding, with 38, 45, and 52 degree spring angles. When setting up your saw for crown molding, close enough isn't. The stainless steel blade gauge is held perpendicular to the table by the machined aluminum base, leaving both of your hands free to make adjustments to your saw. And each gauge is 12 inches long, so there's plenty of reference to your table or miter gauge. The laser engraved angle markings also show the complementary angles, so you can set either acute or obtuse angles by just flipping it over. We make Blade Gauge 2.0 for both 10 and 12-inch saws, and each gauge is sized just right to maximize contact with the saw blade, without any interference with the teeth or the arbor flange. Each blade gauge is made from high-quality stainless steel using state-of-the-art manufacturing techniques. You can buy the Blade Gauge 2.0 set for 10-inch blades or 12-inch blades, or the deluxe set, which includes all 10 gauges. Each set comes with our wall-mountable racket, which keeps your blade gauges ready to go to work anytime you need them. Like all Woodpecker's OneTIME tools, the Blade Gauge 2.0 is only made to order, precisely machined and carefully inspected right here in Strongsville, Ohio. Check our website to see if orders are currently being accepted, or to sign up to be notified when we set up for the next run.